Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to Kris Over 50. Today's video is a perfect marriage between a haul video and an empties review video. What? This video is everything I have purchased in the last 2 months. A lot of this stuff will never make it in its own video, won't even make it to an empties. This is a way I can share with you stuff I've been buying, what I think of it. I asked on a poll on my channel if you were interested, and overwhelmingly you said yes. Let's start with makeup. And if we're gonna start with makeup, let's start with eyeshadow. You already know from my Sephora mini haul that I picked up these 3 pocket eyeshadows from the Sephora collection. These are such a good deal. I have been wearing them and playing with them. I will say put them on before you do your foundation because there is some fallout, but oh my gosh, the color payout is beautiful. They wear a long time, and at $10, they are a steal. Also in that video, I showed you the Huda Beauty Lunar New Year palette, and actually this is going to get returned. I haven't used it yet, and the more I think about it, I'm just not going to use it, so that can go back. When I was at Target last week and looking through the makeup section, I found 3 really intriguing eyeshadow palettes, each one of them $3 or less. I couldn't believe it. So I think I have a video idea coming up, which is like the battle of the $3 palettes. The no makeup look, or the natural look, is really in for spring. And I was looking for something to go on my eyelids for that look. Kosas has this gel watercolor product, and it was so shimmery and so pretty in the store. I had to pick it up. And I am still playing around with this look, and hopefully we'll have it in an upcoming video. Moving into mascara. I got 2 samples at Sephora. They're Big by Definition mascara, and then from Cali Ray, which I believe is a new cruelty-free clean makeup brand, this Cali Ray Come Hell or High Water mascara. It also has a really long spoolie. I've worn it a few times. I'm not blown away by it. The other mascara I got was this Revlon Ultimate All-in-One Mini Wand. Apparently this is a trend for spring. Admittedly, I have only used it once. I didn't even notice at that time that the wand was curved. So this is something I need to spend more time with. Let's move into a few foundations. The first one is this L'Oreal 4-in-1 Age Perfect Tinted Balm. I have worn this probably 6 or 7 times. I really like it. If you are looking for light coverage, good evening of skin tone, very comfortable and moisturizing, this is a good product. I got mine off of Amazon. Something I got free from Ulta because I'm a Diamond member was this Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer. I have only used it once. I didn't spend a lot of time with it. My first impression was it was a little thick. And if you've been watching my foundation reviews, I've been having a lot of problems with thick, heavy foundations. My local Ulta is one that carries Chanel. And I went up and I spoke with the woman working there, and I ended up coming home with this product. It is a water fresh tint. You can see it's very runny. It is very watery. I did not get it to wear on its own, although it feels amazing. I think it would make a really nice primer. But my prime motivation for getting it was to mix with really thick foundations like the Lancome Tint Idol foundation that I hated. See if I can't do a little mixing and blending to come up with a foundation I really like. Moving into cheeks, Essence makes lovely blushes. I have two of theirs, and I saw this color and I thought it was so pretty, great for spring. I have worn it a couple of times already, and it is a really, really lovely shade. Another thing I picked up at the Chanel counter at Ulta was this new lip and cheek product. It's part of their new Camilla Flower line, and it is such a pretty shade. It feels lovely, and you can really sheer it out, make it a little more intense. Again, I've just been super into spring, and I think this is going to be beautiful for spring and summer. Only one lip product, also from Essence, this High Extreme Shine Gloss. It's a good gloss. It's thick, it's shiny. What more can you ask for? I am in the middle of filming my review for the KVD Good Apple Concealer, so I've got that. And as an impulse buy leaving Ulta, I picked up this Maybelline Superstay Active Wear. It says it's up to 30-hour wear. Who are they kidding? I really wish they would stop making these claims, because no, it's not 30-hour wear. None of us are going to wear it that long, and you know and I know it doesn't last that long. I picked up a couple of nail colors. This product from Essie is their Expressive Quick Dry Nail Color. I loved the color on this, but the brush is really short in my experience, and it made it very hard to do my nails. So I went back and I picked up an oldie but a goodie, Sally Hansen Quick Dry Instant Shine. It is a really pretty shade of pink. I saw Sally Hansen had a new cuticle product. This has a sponge tip on the end, and you squeeze it out around your cuticles. You let it dry about 15 minutes and you peel it off, and I gotta say, it left my cuticles so soft. I'm really loving this product. Two things before we leave makeup. Both of them are brush cleaners. This is one that Shea Whitney recommended on her channel as one of her Amazon favorites. I hated it. It smells like petroleum. I didn't feel like it got my brushes very clean. It just was like the Exxon Valdez oil spill. I didn't like it. I went back to one of my tried and trues, Sigma's brush shampoo, put a couple pumps of this in with a few ounces of water. I cleaned my brushes. They were beautiful, they were soft, and they didn't stink. I'm Kris over 50. If you are enjoying this video, show me a little YouTube love down below. You know what to do. Let's move into hair. Penn Smith is a master esthetician out of Portland. I really enjoy her channel. She used to do hair. She talked about this hair mask, which is a really lovely, thick, nourishing hair mask. And then this bonnet. Remember the old hair dryers where you'd put the bonnet on and connect the hose? Well, this one attaches to any hair dryer. It's a little cumbersome, not terrible, but it is great. Put this hair mask on wet hair, sit with the bonnet on your head for 20 minutes, and your hair will be so moisturized, so soft, so lovely. That's it for hair. Let's wrap up with skincare. These first four are all repurchases for me. First is the Pharmacy Honey Grail Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. I love this oil. It is so good for my face. Two things that I got in BoxyCharm that I could subsequently reorder from them was this Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. I love this stuff. I actually bought 3 of these. And the Elemis Superfood Veggie Face Mask. This is a really moisturizing mask. It was such a good deal on BoxyCharm. I picked up 2 of these. Also returning to my lineup, the May Love SPF 30 Sun Protector. I like this. This is a mineral sunscreen. It goes on great under makeup. It's also what I like to use first thing in the morning. It is not as shiny as the Dermatology SPF 46 that I usually wear. I got this Skin Smart antimicrobial. It says that it's a facial cleanser. I do not use it as a cleanser. This is a spray that says it's good for killing viruses and bacteria. The way I use it is I spray it on a Q-tip if I've got some acne, and I use that to really clean the blemish. Also, we are using so much hand sanitizer these days, and if you've got any kind of a cut, it will instantly be found. This stuff is cut friendly. It doesn't sting. This Ola Hendrickson product, this Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer, two totally different channels have raved about this product. Penn Smith and Tati. It's thick but not goopy thick. Here, that's what it looks like. And it just feels so good going on. Just instantly, your skin looks hydrated and smooth. I am totally loving this product. One of the reasons I like buying online from Sephora is usually if you spend at least $25, you get to pick a product as a gift. This is the Fresh Floral Recovery Calming Mask. It is a very thick, moisturizing mask. I have used it a couple of times already. It has a very light floral scent. Unless you are extremely sensitive to fragrances, I don't think it'll be an issue. And it just puts so much moisture into my skin. I have really loved using it these past couple of weeks. And last but not least are a couple of eye products. One is new to me, the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. Angie Hot and Flashy really loves this product. And the other one is from Aven. Penn Smith really loves this product. I have used the Aven before. I liked it. I wanted to compare it to the CeraVe, so I have both of them now. If you liked this video, I think you will like this empties video I have linked right above. And if you hang on just a moment to the end screen, there is a video and a playlist that I have picked just for you. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a fantastic day.